Dear students and my colleagues, today we will reward the students those who are got first position in different classes in the annual examination 2023-24. The brilliant students are ready to come one by one. At first come Mr. Aryan Ahmed Siddiqui. He got first rank in KG1. The prize will give to him Mr. Mozgul Islam sir. Secondly come Mr. Abdul Muki. He got first position in KC2. The prize will give to him Mr. Dulal Das. Abdul Muki come. Okay. Okay, go. Thirdly, from Miss Abida Yasmin. She got first rank in class 1. Rewarded her Mr. Abdul Kalam. Abida Yasmin. Next come Mr. Ashraful Islam. He got first rank in class 2. The prize will give to him Mrs. Madhumita Das. Ashraful Islam.
Ashraful Islam.
Class 2.
Class 2 Ashraful आइसे तो कोई
stop कर लो balance लो बाद and Mr. Ani.
Next, come Miss Subara Begum. She got first position in class 3. The prize will give her to her Miss Shahenara Begum. Next, come Mr. Obrodip Devnar. He got first rank in class 4. The prize will give to him Mr. Mozgul Islam sir. Obrodip. Next come Mr. Ayushom. He got first rank in class 5. The prize will give to him Mr. Asabuddin. That means me. Come Ayush. Next come Miss Ruxana Begum. She got first rank in class 6. The prize will give to her is Ruxana Begum. Okay, come, Ruxana, come. Next come Miss Shelima Akhtar. She got first rank in class 7. The prize will give to her Mr. Dulal Das. Okay, next come Miss Rumana Begum. She got first rank in class 8. The prize will give to her Mr. Mozgul Islam sir. Lastly come Miss Martia Yasmin. She got first rank in class 9. The prize will give to her Mr. Abdul Kalam. Okay, so dear students, we will conclude here our program. Thanks to all. Have a nice day.